I'm going to be doing a bit of a 2-in-1 video today. We're doing a tutorial for DIY gel manicures at home, which is really great during this shutdown, and obviously afterwards if you want to save money on doing your nails. I am the girl for that. I am your girl. And also we're going to do a review of the Nordik Beauty Nail Kit. I think this review is going to be helpful if you are looking for a UV light kit to buy. Perhaps you want to purchase it for someone as a gift, or maybe you want to start a little business doing nails on campus, you know. Let me just explain the 5-point rating scale that I'm going to use. Just a moment. So we are going to be looking at the value for money of the product, the user friendliness, visual appeal, effectiveness, and longevity. Let me just pull out the pieces for you. So this is what you get inside the box. Now, bear in mind this was unboxed a while ago, so it might not have everything you will get with a fresh order. So you've got your gel lamp here. It says Nordik Beauty. An adapter. 2-pin. Obviously you can use your adapter plug to plug it into the wall. I've got mine here. Just a second. It comes with latex tape, so I'll show you how to use that. It comes with gel polish. At the top here it says base coat, not sure if you can see that. And then it comes with gel polish top coat, and then it comes with one gel polish color that I don't have in front of me at the moment, but it is sort of this shade. It's also a creamy peachy color. Alright friends, now that my station is all set up, let me just show you what I have. This is the UV lamp. I can just show you on the back that it's now on. It has its 3 time settings: 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds, which I think is really nice. You can tell that it's on by that red light, and there is another blue light on the adapter. I have now found the color. It is Nude Nelly. I'm sure you can't see that, but it's a peachy nude color. And now I've also brought my own supplies just so I can do my nails properly. I have a cuticle clipper from Sorbet. It also comes with this cuticle pusher, nail shaper, cleaner, thingamabob. And then I also have nail buffers, shapers. I've put a paper towel here so I can just limit the amount of nail debris that's gonna fly around, and also for easy cleanup. Now my nails are currently clean. I just removed some polish from them yesterday. After I remove polish, I just like to make sure my nails are moisturized, just to give a good surface to work on. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shape my nails so that they look nice and uniform, and I will paint them next and show you how this product works. Yeah, so I'm not going to do too much of the shaping. You might do some more, you might want a different shape. Mine is a bit of a rounded square tip. So now what I'm going to do, let me just make sure I've got all the debris off my nail, is use one of these alcohol pads. And this is just good when you've brush down your cuticle just to make sure your nail is clean. So I'm going to put on this latex tape. Oh, gosh, cuticle guard. Not sure if you can see that. Basically what you do is put this around the nail so that any excess gel polish that you put on is easily peeled off. I'll show you what I mean just now. Now bear in mind that I'm doing my nails as per instructions here. Now I'm going to take my base coat. Ooh, message. I will pop that in here for, let's do 60 seconds. Okay, I think it has been maybe 20 minutes since I've applied this base coat. I checked some emails, made some, microwaved some lunch, and I'm actually just over it at this point. I'm going to paint over it with the Nelly. Yes, I'm gonna paint over with that. I'm not sure if this is actually supposed to get super hard, because it is not. And I think after 20 minutes, surely it should be dry. Oh, also a tip, to speed up the drying of nail polish, just stick your hand in the freezer for 2 minutes or so. I also did that and it's still not dry, so moving on. Honestly, the appeal of gel is really just that nice, shiny look and a really bold, clean finish. So I just have to make sure that this color is perfect. Okay. How are we looking there? Okay, you guys can't really see it that well. Okay, I have... Ooh, I need to touch up the edge there. Back in again. Hopefully this will take a little less. Hey guys, I am moving on to the top coat. As you can see, my application is a little bit messy. But hopefully this latex tape that we have will help with that. I'm just gonna remove that when we're all done. Putting on my top coat. You know, trying to make sure my layers are as thin as possible, because clearly drying is taking some time. That color took me maybe 20 minutes and it's not completely dry, but I am moving on to the top coat. I feel like gel actually does take some time even when you do it in the salon. Okay, lovely. It has actually dried to the touch. So maybe the other layers were not meant to dry, who knows. But it has not wrinkled, so I'm really pleased with that. Let me just try and take this latex layer off. Just want to remain on camera. It's basically like peeling a mask off. It's a bit sticky. Okay, so the latex layer really helped with giving me a clean finish. If I don't have a gel color, and these are not cheap, so it is great to collect the colors that come with the brand and, you know, to have brand unity. But if I don't have the color and I just have regular nail polish and I still want that gel look and I still want it to last a bit longer than regular nail polish, I use these colors, and let me show you how. Okay, so first of all, my nails are clean. I'm going to skip the base coat because I really want this to stick to the nail. So I have my yellow from Essence. I don't know what this color is called. Jeez. It is color to Sun. I'm in a bit of a slump, obviously, as we're all locked indoors and just doing our best to stay positive. So I think I'm just gonna paint my nails yellow. Yeah. And if you're paying attention, you can see my nail technique is just long strokes upwards, flattening the brush against your nail. There we go. Let me just make sure I've got the sides. I'm not actually putting that many coats on. It's more of me spreading the coat around that's here. You'll notice I haven't dipped my brush back in. I'm just trying to make sure I have a nice even color. I am not too fussy about the edges because that will actually come off later. I can also use my latex tape, but I actually don't like to waste that. It's a lovely product. And I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna paint the rest of my nails. Okay, and now I'm taking this top coat from my Nordik Beauty, and I am putting a layer of it over the nail polish. Now you can see the two that I haven't applied yet look kind of matte, and the three that I have applied have a sheen to them. And voila, there you have it, my nails done with the Nordik Beauty Nail Kit. This is why I love it. It has that gel finish. I could shape my nails to any other shape I want. These are my natural nails. This will last me quite some time. And again, I used nail polish and the gel top coat. My final review and summary of this nail kit. Just remember, guys, that this is totally not sponsored. This is 100% my opinion. This is from my experience, and this is from what I know about gel polish and the research that I have done and put into this video. Okay, let's go. First of all, we are looking at value for money. Now, the kit in total is 1,000 Rand, 999. It comes with base coat, top coat, color, latex tape, the lamp, and these alcohol pads, which help you to disinfect people's nails when you clean them and do them. So that makes for hygienic gel application. I think that is great value for money because one of these colors on its own is 125 Rand. So if you do the maths, you are definitely saving when you buy the kit altogether. And I think it's great value for money because if it's a gift or a startup packet for yourself, it's really great. It can really get someone motivated and into doing gel applications. What's great about this lamp is that you don't need to use the same brand gel. You can use any kind of gel. This light can cure all types of gel and shellac. This lamp kit is a 3.5 in value for money because obviously you can go out and you can buy the lamp on its own and you don't need the whole package of the kit. And also there are other lamps out there. I saw one on Macro's website that has 48 watts and I think it was $6.99. So you can just browse around and see, but generally it is in the same price range as other gel lamp kits. So it's not super expensive. It's within the realm of the industry. If you'd like to buy this lamp on its own, it is between $6.75 and $6.95 online. Okay, our next item, user friendliness. This product will get a 4 out of 5 because it really is just plug and play and paint. The only difficulty I had was with the actual gel polish that came with this kit. I'm not sure if it is the brand. I haven't tried other colors. Maybe it's just this color. But I had some difficulty getting it right. If you just jump into it haphazardly, your nails will bubble, they will wrinkle. So I think it could have come with far better instructions that you need to wait and exactly how you can use this polish. But then again, getting your gel technique is really your own business. The kit does what the kit needs to do, and you have to brush up on your own technique. Okay, number 3, visual appeal. I will give this product a 4 on visual appeal. I think it's gorgeous, stunning to look at. It's beautifully designed. The box, the colors are beautifully designed. And yeah, it is just appealing to the eye. It comes in 2 other colors, I believe. And yeah, I can't fault it on its design. Item number 4, effectiveness. I will give it a 3 on effectiveness. It does do exactly what it says it will do. The only downside, I guess, was the waiting time. But I think that's just the regular waiting time. It depends on pigment of the color you're using. It depends on the brand of gel you're using. So it will get the job done, but obviously dependent on what nail polish you're using, it'll take some time. It is 36 watts, which is great actually on industry standard, but some light kits are 48 watts, so that will dry your nails faster. Keep that in mind. Some are 32 watts. I think I saw one for 6 watts. So this is actually very decent. And item number 5, longevity. We've had this nail kit for perhaps over 6 months. I think that it is durable and it could last you for some time. I would say perhaps a year and a half. That's just how long these usually last. And for the money that you're putting in and the savings that you will be getting out, it's totally worth it. And the reason I am giving this a 3.5 is the fact that it doesn't look like you can reuse it. It doesn't look like you can change the light bulbs. And if you do, you probably will damage the product. So it seems like a once-off purchase. Maybe you purchase another one, maybe upgrade when you feel more comfortable. But I think for a beginner, this is a great kit. And I think you can do quite a bit with it for quite some time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Whew, I need a nap.